Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm Lisa with Lisa Boo Designs, and today I'm really excited because I have this 1800's Empire chest. So I've been planning this for days, and I had a specific plan. Normally, I don't have a specific plan, and I just kind of go with the flow. I might have some colors. I actually had a specific plan. And last night, I started looking at this. I took my carbide scraper, and if you've never used one of these, I highly recommend it. I use it all the time. And I started scraping the finish off of it. It was a very thin finish, and it was coming off so quickly without hardly any effort at all. And then I started looking at all of this, and I decided I was going to stain this top, and so I did the same thing, and it was just falling off. So if I would have painted over this finish, I could have lost my paint job. So I don't want to do that. So what I did was last night I stayed up really late, and because we're still having really bad weather. We had tornado warnings in the middle of the night. It's been stormy. We've been having flood warnings since yesterday. And so I had to do this all inside. I scraped the entire finish on the Empire chest with my scraper. And then last night I hand sanded everything. That's crazy. I can't see anything here, but in the video, it looks like it's snowing. There's particles still falling. What is it? You smell it? There's a little bit of vinegar in here, but it's really hydrogen peroxide. You're gonna get wet. Baby, don't lick it. Ding dong. I'm going to be using DIY Paints Dark and Decrepit, and I'm going to add a little bit of black velvet. So see how rich brown Dark and Decrepit is? If you've never seen it, I love Dark and Decrepit. Full strength, it gives you a gorgeous walnut finish. I'm going to just take this off the sides, and I always like to clean it off or use Vaseline on my jars, otherwise you cannot open it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it where I opened it up and poured it out. And hopefully I have enough. We'll see. I always want to make sure I have enough, but I am going to water it down a little bit. And then I'm going to add, I put a board on here so that I wouldn't spill. I'm going to add some black in here. And I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to see where we are. So I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to add some water. And this actually had some paint in it also. All right, so here we go. So this is our color. Can you guys see that? I'm going to use my blue sponge applicator, and I have moistened it. So, and took out all the excess. I'm going to see what color this is. Yes, this is what I wanted. So it's gonna look different. As you can see, I'm gonna show you this, because this is, I created a custom stain using prairie gray, and I was testing it out because it was on pine. So that's a great way to see if you like something. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this and see. I could always do another coat and add some more paint if I don't like it. What I like to do when I do dark and decrepit is I like to moisten up, wet the piece. It gives me a lot more control than if I just applied it on there, because I find that I like it better if I wet it and then stain it, and I don't have to wipe off the excess. So I'm using less product and I'm wasting less product.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. Step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening. It's something you don't know. You need a little enlightening. It'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the